Hello, friends. This is Dr. Daljit Kaur, and I am here to help you with another topic of infectious diseases. Infectious diseases caused by an agent like bacteria, viruses, parasites, or fungi. It is a global problem. For example, smallpox, tuberculosis, syphilis, cholera, plague. It has caused millions of deaths. In 1918, there was a pandemic of influenza. Because of that, there were 40 million deaths. You can imagine how infectious diseases can cause an impact to the health or to the society, and it can cause more of deaths. Another example: low respiratory tract infections, human immunodeficiency virus, that is HIV or AIDS. AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Another example are diarrheal diseases or malaria, tuberculosis. There are another infectious diseases which are emerging, means it was not there and now it has emerged. So that are the examples of emerging diseases or new infectious diseases caused Ebola, MERS-CoV, like Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, coronavirus, or severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2. That has because of COVID-19. As you are aware about, in December 2019, there was a case in China, and then afterwards in India, there was the first case in Kerala on 30th May. So, when infectious agent enter into the body, into the person, so what happens? If there is immunity, the person will be healthy. If there is no immunity or weak immune system, or because of drugs like steroids or any other immunosuppressant the person is taking, or because of age like elderly or young age, or because of comorbid disease like diabetes, hypertension, so the person can have disease, or there are symptoms like mild to severe symptom. So from the infectious agent enter to the symptoms appear, this period is called incubation period. The term related to infectious diseases, one is infectious period, the time when person can spread the disease. Even there are the persons, if there is no symptoms, still can transmit the disease. These are called carriers. Another terms related to infectious diseases is case fatality rate. What is this? If after the infection, number of person who die, deaths because of infectious, that is called case fatality rate. For example, if the cases are 10 and deaths due to this is 6, so that is 60% of case fatality rate. Another term is basic reproductive rate. This is the average number of secondary cases. For example, if measles, the one case can do 15 more cases due to the susceptible persons. Like one person can cause 15% infected. So that is called basic reproduction or basic reproductive rate. Another term is secondary attack rate. What is it? The secondary attack rate is proportion of people exposed who get the disease. Like out of exposed person get the disease are called this is called secondary attack rate. Like one case, and the 10% or like 10, it can, so one case and 10 are susceptible. So out of 10, how many are getting disease? 1. So out of 10, 1 is getting disease. So out of susceptible or out of exposed who get the disease, like 1 out of 10. So secondary attack rate would be 10%. There are types of infectious diseases or categories like zoonotic disease, that is because of animals to humans or humans to animals, that is zoonotic disease. For example, leptospirosis, rabies, toxoplasmosis. Another term or another category is emerging infectious diseases. It can be emerge or re-emerge. Emerge means if there was not any agent for that or no disease earlier, and it has come up with new disease, that is emerging, or the re-emerging, it was there but it has increased incidence or another geographical range, that is called re-emerging diseases. There are many vector borne diseases like because of vector. Most common vector is mosquitoes, and then afterwards there are flies, fleas, ticks. If the person or animal has infection, and if the fly, mosquito, fleas, like vector, can transmit to the another person, that is called vector borne disease. For example, malaria, dengue, sleeping sickness, and many other. So these are the infectious disease types. So thank you so much, friends, for the patient listening. And if you want any other topic to be discussed from my side, please let me know in the comments. And all the very best. Thank you.